Every one of us has a brain. The brain controls every thought and movement that we make. It allows us to speak, breathe, feel, and so much more. The brain works non-stop, even at night. It is located in the head and is protected by the skull. The brain is divided into two parts, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. The left hemisphere controls important tasks such as calculating and reasoning. The right hemisphere is in charge of tasks related to intuition, such as art and music. The brain is also divided into smaller sections where each section controls something specific. The sections are the temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and the cerebellum. Inside the brain there are billions of tiny living things called neurons or nerve cells. Neurons carry millions of messages to the spinal cord, which links the brain to the rest of the body. When these messages or neurons reach the brain, it sorts them out and sends instructions to the rest of the body. The brain is a very important organ, so we must take good care of it. Some ways you can protect your brain is by doing physical exercises and eating healthy foods. Thank you for watching.